home should be a place where family will want to get together to create memories. Hi, I'm Kenneth. I'm the homeowner of this lovely place. My ID is Nick Pang and he's from N Studio. Theme of the home is actually colonial with a hint of Peranakan style. We got the inspiration from other mansionette that we come across. We felt the design is clean and it marries other theme very well, which is why we chose Peranakan because of its rich culture and heritage. I would say I like the living room quite a bit because I have big TV here, which I can do my work. And the other place that I really like, I can actually just hop over to the balcony area where we got this old kopitiam colonial kind of table and chairs that complements our theme. We told Nick not to come out with the usual colonial black and white. We want some colors to it, contrasting colors, not just colors, but contrasting colors. And then my wife wanted arches, so he got for us one in the living room and one in the dining area. I choose Nick Pang because I've known him for about 5-6 years. I would say he's very prompt and very responsible guy. So if I call him like 15 to 20 times, he will appear and he will help me to rectify the issues that we have. So I'm very pleased with Nick. He's done a fantabulous job. I would say that with the COVID restrictions and all last year, we did have some hiccups along the way, but he managed to finish with just a delay of an additional 1 more week. Yes, I would recommend Nick to the others. In fact, I have actually recommended him to a few of my church friends. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit renopedia.sg.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.